Alright, just got the Fruition kit delivered for the KS1 and I'm opening it up. I'll probably do an install video as well and just combine everything together. But to start, clamp ring. This will clamp your S8 fan to the printed shroud kit. And then I assume everything else is just in here. There's also a bunch of hardware that comes with all this. Fan spoofers and whatnot, and all the screws necessary to convert everything over. Okay, this is wrapped very well. Oh, good on the wrap job. Ooh, a nice seal for the power supply part. So this will go on the front where the fan will go. Everything mounts. It's super simple. And this is the back, the exhaust. Nothing too fancy for this. Yep. And they ship super fast. I assume hardware is... okay. It comes with this little folder, and all the hardware is included in here on the back of this thing. So these are the fan spoofers that you'll use, because obviously you'll be getting rid of the fans. So these you'll have to break apart and plug into the fan spoofers, and this is all the hardware. So this is what the final product will look like. You do have to open this up so it'll void your warranty and stuff, but I mean that should be pretty obvious that that's what will happen. But it's pretty simple. Turn it off, open it up, unplug all the fans. I have my boards swapped around to the middle slots, but it should be pretty straightforward. There are different screws, coarse thread and fine thread, so just don't mess those up. It tells you which ones to use where. So yeah, I'll be installing that once my fan comes in, which was supposed to be already, but it didn't, so it'll be here Friday. So I will install this one in 2 days, but this will just be one video put together. But a lot of weight to this, which is good. It's not flimsy, shitty, thin printed stuff. It's got some nice weight to it. So it'll make the KS1 a bit longer, but I think noise-wise and cooling-wise, it will be better, and it'll drop wattage. So stay tuned for that.